Cimphony AI just launched, and if you're curious about the 7 crucial things you need to know about this AI software, you're in the right place. This is the best just released AI software, and I'm going to break down exactly why it's getting so much buzz. Let's jump straight into what you need to know. First, Cimphony AI is designed to streamline your digital marketing efforts with a mix of powerful automation tools and intelligent analytics. It's one of those rare tools that doesn't just promise to help, but delivers real value with its clean interface and smart features. Now, what sets it apart from the other AI software on the market? Well, Cimphony is built with marketers in mind, which means it's got everything you need to optimize your campaigns, track data, and create powerful content, all in one place. Whether you're running paid ads, email marketing, or even content creation, Cimphony has a feature that automates the heavy lifting. For those of us who spend hours refining campaigns, this could be a game changer. Next, its intuitive user interface. If you're new to AI tools, Cimphony makes sure you're not lost in complicated features. You can dive right in and start seeing results with minimal setup. The design is sleek, and you won't get bogged down by unnecessary complexity. Even if you're new to AI or digital marketing, the learning curve is manageable, and that's a major win. Now let's talk about data integration. This software pulls in data from all your campaigns, whether it's Google Ads, Facebook, or even email. It helps you make better decisions by giving you a complete picture of how your marketing efforts are performing. And the best part? The data is presented in a way that's easy to understand and use, meaning you can quickly optimize your strategies without needing a data science degree. One of the most exciting things about Cimphony AI is its AI-powered content generation. This tool takes the guesswork out of content creation by generating copy that resonates with your target audience. It's not just about churning out words. The software uses advanced algorithms to understand your audience and create content that converts. Another feature worth mentioning is its A/B testing capabilities. It automatically runs tests to determine what headlines, calls to action, and creatives work best. This takes the guesswork out of testing and allows you to focus on scaling what works. Whether you're a solopreneur or managing a large marketing team, Cimphony's automated testing can save you a ton of time. Cimphony also integrates seamlessly with popular CRM tools and marketing platforms, so you're not juggling between systems. Everything is synchronized, which means more efficiency and less chance of human error. In a fast-paced marketing world, that's exactly what you need. And the best part? You can try Cimphony AI completely free. Check the first link in the description to start your free trial today and see how it can elevate your digital marketing game. If you're tired of wasting time on software that doesn't deliver, Cimphony could be the solution you've been looking for. After trying thousands of AI tools, I've curated a list of the best ones that actually work, and you can find those links in the description below. Trust me, these tools will take your business to the next level.